Hi guys, this is Sadak from Driving.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to expand and collapse the notifications on your Android phone via ADB commands without the need to interact with your phone. The only setup that you require is you have to enable USB debugging once. That is required just for the first time setup, and from the next time onward that is not required. You just have to use a single line of command and the notification will automatically expand. Likewise, you may easily close and collapse the notification using just a single line of command. So with that said, let's get started. First and foremost, you will have to get hold of Android SDK platform tools. So get it from my guide and extract them onto your PC. You may extract them anywhere you want. In my case, I have done the extraction in C drive, and these are the files of platform tools. Once you have done the extraction, your next course of action is to enable USB debugging on your phone. So let's do that as well. For that, go to the settings menu on your phone. From settings, go to about phone and tap on build number 7 times. This will enable developer option. Now go to system and you should see developer option. Go there and enable the toggle next to USB debugging. You will get a prompt on your phone. Tap on OK. And with this, debugging is enabled. Let's verify the same. So go to platform tools folder address bar, type in CMD and hit enter. This will launch command prompt inside platform tools. Now type in ADB devices and hit enter. And make sure that you're getting an ID. If you're not getting any ID, then unplug and replug your phone from the PC. Disable and re-enable USB debugging. Tap on revoke USB debugging. Use the official USB cable that came with your phone and use the USB 2.0 port on your PC. So carry out these USB tweaks and make sure that you're getting an ID. Once you're getting this ID, your next course of action is now simply use this command, and using this command will expand the notification on your phone. Let me show you. So let's just copy the command and paste it here and have a look at my phone. As soon as I hit enter, the notification has expanded. As you could see on my phone, it's expanded. Likewise, you may easily collapse it as well. For collapsing it, just use the second command and hit paste in the CMD window, hit enter, and as you could see that the notification has been gone. So the only difference between both the command is the number 1 and 2. In case of number 1, you will get the notification expanded, whereas the 2 will close or the notification panel. Let me show you once again. Press the 1 key and it will expand notification. Then use the second command and it will close the notification on your phone. As you could see, it's closed. So that's just about it. And on that note, I round off this short video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching.